Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eden. I do clean and organizing videos. Today I have this special bag that I want to share with you. This is gifted me by Fancy Bags for you. This is Louie Vuitton Speedy 30. See, and it comes with a bag. This is very fancy bag, guys. I call this a rain bag. If it is raining or like bad weather, you can put your bag in here so it won't be damaged. Nice. And it comes with your receipt whenever you purchase it. They put your receipt in here so you can remember it all the time. Okay. It comes with a ribbon, Louie Vuitton ribbon. Very nice. I hope you can see it. I'll show you in a minute. And it comes with a dust bag, you guys. The company name is here. This is authentication card. This is what it looks like. It is a Speedy 30. That's what I chose. This is very special, you guys. It also comes with a string. You will buy an organizer for it. This is not a cheap bag, you guys. This is $378. It's a fraction of the regular Louie Vuitton bag. The original is $1,600, which is, I would never pay that much money, but this one is affordable, $378. If you are interested, I'm gonna leave their information on the description box. Check them out. This is 100% genuine leather, you guys. This is a mirror of the original Louis Vuitton replica. I'm not familiar with Louis Vuitton bags before, but this is perfect for me. I like it a lot, and it's with a fraction of the original price, so I recommend this to anybody. And you can see the company stamp on it. If you can't see it, I'll show you in the next photo. But this is very well made, you guys. I really like it. Okay guys, this bag also comes with a lock. That's original Louis Vuitton lock. It has a dust bag. If you want to keep it there, you can. I will go ahead and attach it to my bag. You can see the original Louis Vuitton stamps on the lock and on the hardware. The bag has inside, like the original, it has a date inside. Under the bag, I don't know if you can see it, but it has a number there. So this is just like the original Louis Vuitton, you guys. This is amazing. I love this bag so much, you guys. You can make it the string longer if you want, but this is perfect for me. This bag looks so amazing in my office, you guys. I put some paper inside to make it fuller, so it looks perfect. Thank you so much, Fancy Bags For You, for sponsoring this video. They also have 20% off coupon for you guys. Just spell EDEN, Eden like my name, while you're purchasing. Okay guys, if you are interested, I'm gonna leave their information on the description box. Please check them out. And thank you so much for watching, everybody. I'll see you in the next one. I love you all so much.